Now I want to give just some explanation about the transversal plane. Transversal means two parallel line here. Suppose L and M. L and M cut by another line P. P makes some angles with L and M. Some angles means how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 angles make. Now I want to say you what is the relation between these angles. You always remember this. There are 8 angles now. There are always 4 angles are always equal. So this one 1, 2, 3, 4. You always these 4 angles are equal. You remember this. Similarly, another side also this 5, 6, 7 and 8. These 4 angles also equal. You see the position of these angles. 1, 1, 1 equal 2 equal 3 equal 4. Similarly, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 always equal and 5, 6, 7, 8 also always equal. So within 1 to among this, if any one angle if we know, then we can find the easily others angle. Okay. If any one value we know, then easily we can find the others value. Suppose lines is parallel on this way. Suppose line is this way. And another line cut this line this way. Suppose this one L, M and this one P cut in this way. Then also we say that this angle and these angles are this. These 4 angles are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 angles are always equal. And another side also we say this and these angles also equal. 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 angles also equal. If the line also this way, that means perpendicularly, then also same things. You remember this. Always you remember this and see the position of this, and then you can find easily. If among this, if you know any one value, then you can find the others value of the angles. Now see the question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figure. Here given the 2 L and M are parallel line and T are transversal line, and T cut L and M. Now find the value of x. This one, and this value is given 110. We already say you that this line angle and this angle are equal. So I give your name is this angle is A, which is the corresponding angles of this angle 110. I already told you this and these angles are equal. So A equal to 110. But we know that A plus x equal to 180 degree because linear pair. Okay, because linear pair. Therefore 110x plus x we write here, because so we find 110 plus x, we put the value of A here, then we get 180 degree. So x equal to 180 minus 110, we get 70. Therefore, value of x is 70 degree. Now, see the second question, question number 2. Line L and M, these lines are also parallel, okay? And AB is the transversal. Find the value of x, this one. And this is given, but both lines are parallel. So, if we move the line, we see this way, then we can say this line and this line also equal, because both are corresponding pair. Yes, so x equal to 100. See the question number 5. In the given figure, the two arms are parallel. Parallel arms are AB and D are parallel. AB and D are parallel. And BC is a transversal line. BC is a transversal line. So, you see here, B and AB and ED are parallel line. B and BC is the transversal. So, this angle and these angles are equal. Yes, therefore, G is also 70 degree. Now, you see, we need the angles DEF. We need this angle. What is the value of this angle? Again, you see, BC and EF also parallel, and this E is the transversal. Therefore, this angle and these angles also equal. That means ABC, DGC and DEF, all angles are equal. So, all angles are equal. Both angles are 70 degree.